What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Meet lag issue while screen sharing or while using Google Meet. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Google Meet. After that, you will see this first official website of Google Meet. Click on this website and after that, you will be redirected to the homepage of Google Meet. Now, let's say I am starting a new meeting. Your network connection loosens or weakens during the meeting, just run a speed test by opening a new tab and then type in speed test. And after that, here is the first website of speed test by Ookla. Just go to this website and then click on go. So this will check the internet speed of your surroundings and of your, let's say, Wi-Fi and network connection. Now, after that, if it still doesn't work, use a wired connection like an Ethernet port might help. Wireless connection sometimes gives the network issues, so that's why it is lagging your meet. But if you still can't solve the problem of meeting lag, click on these three dots and then click on settings. And after clicking on the settings, go to the video section and then you can set the resolution to a standard 360p. So this will give you the average video quality but will consume less net than the higher definition of 720p. And you need to also set the receive resolution of 360p to 720p, so this will consume less network and then there will be less chances of your Google Meet lag. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.